Say goodbye to manually retyping data and unlock the power of your PDF tables by transforming them into editable Excel spreadsheets. Many of us deal with PDFs that contain valuable information, especially in tabular form, but extracting and using that data in a spreadsheet can be a real hassle today. We're diving into how to convert your PDF files into editable Excel documents, empowering you to analyze, calculate, and organize your information with ease. The easiest way to achieve this is by using online conversion tools or dedicated software. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a common approach first. You'll need to locate a reliable PDF to Excel converter. Many reputable websites offer this service, often with simple drag and drop functionality. Once you've found your converter, simply drag and drop your PDF file into the designated upload area. If the tool requires a direct upload, click the Browse or Upload button and select the PDF from your computer's files. The converter will then process your PDF. This usually takes just a few moments. Depending on the size and complexity of your document, the software intelligently identifies tables and attempts to preserve their structure. Once the conversion is finished, you'll typically see a download button. Click this to save your newly created Excel file to your computer. Now, open the downloaded Excel file. You'll likely find that the tabular data from your PDF has been neatly organized into rows and columns. From here, you can start editing, adding formulas, performing calculations, and analyzing your data. Just like any other Excel spreadsheet, you might need to do some minor formatting tidying, but the bulk of the data extraction is done for you. This process is incredibly useful for anything from financial reports and invoices to research data and contact lists. It truly streamlines your workflow and makes your data far more accessible for analysis. So, the next time you're faced with a data-filled PDF, remember these simple steps to unlock its potential in Excel. Happy data wrangling.